Good day, everyone. My education philosopher is George Counts on 1889 to 1974, which is building a new social order. George Counts, an influential educational philosopher and social critic, is known for his work Dare the School Build a New Social Order, in which he advocated for a radical approach to education. His views were shaped by his belief that education should not just be a tool for individual development, but a means for a societal transformation. Here are some key points regarding Counts' ideas on education and how learners should be taught. So first, we have education as a means for social change. Counts argued that schools should not merely transmit knowledge, but actively participate in building a new social order. He believed education should be a vehicle for reshaping society a more just and equitable manner. In this sense, the classroom becomes a place for learners to develop a critical understanding of social issues and awareness of their role in shaping the future. So second is critical thinking and social awareness. So Counts emphasize the importance of fostering critical thinking in students, rather than teaching them to simply accept traditional values and knowledge. So, Counts believe educators should encourage students to question the status quo. Counts for education was not just about preparing individuals for existing jobs, but about helping them understand the world of their ability to change it. This would involve confronting issues like inequality, power dynamics, and injustice. So third, we have the student-centered approach. So Counts also called for more student-centered teaching. So he advocated for an approach that took into account the unique needs, interests, and experience of learners. So this would help students engage more deeply with the material, allowing them to develop a sense of ownership over their learning and, in turn, a more active role in society. So next, we have integrating political and social themes. Counts believe that educators should engage students with political and social themes, helping them see the connections between education and the broader society. So this approach would help students understand how education is shaped by and shapes social systems. So encouraging them to take an active role in both the classroom and society. So lastly, we have the humanistic and social values. So Counts envisioned education as fostering humanistic values and promoting social responsibility. So he wanted the learners to develop empathy, a sense of justice, and commitment to the well-being of others. So these values, in his view, were essential for creating a society that prioritized the common good over individual gain. So we have the George Counts' philosophy of education revolve around the idea that school should not just impart knowledge, but be institutions that prepare individuals to critically engage with and transform society. So he envisioned a more active and socially responsible role for both educators and learners in shaping the world. So thank you and good day.